Do your mutual funds have a B next to it? We're going to talk about what B shares are in this video. So we recently did a video on what A shares are. I'll go ahead and link that here. But if you have B shares are very similar to A shares, except they are back end loaded. So that's what the B kind of stands for, is back end loaded shares. And what that means is they pay the agent an upfront commission and nothing comes out of your account, but then you have to keep it there for a certain amount of years. And if you don't, then they charge you to take the money out to pay the agent for their upfront commission. So B shares have really fallen out of favor. I haven't seen them in a while, but if you have them and you're constantly contributing, you might want to consider switching that over to something else, because B shares are, if you end up needing your money or if you're about to retire, they're really not great. And then on top of that, there might be 12B1 fees and other fees as well. So if you have B shares, you might want to talk to somebody about whether or not you should switch. You also need to know how long your money is tied up for. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more information about retirement and investing, making money easy, you can go ahead and click here. Or if you'd like to subscribe, it really helps the channel. And then you also get updates when we release new information. You can click here to do that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.